This tutorial will show how you can create your own competition or edit a competition from our library. First, log into your account at www.kaboka.co.uk using your partnership detail login. The username will be the email you registered with. Select My Survey Competitions, and then from the Competitional Personal Challenge tab, you can select Add Custom Competition. This gives you a blank form that will allow you to create the competition however you want. This is exactly the same as if we use an existing competition and edit them. So if we take Virtual Quad Kids as an example and then click Edit. So you get to name your competition. This section here allows you to choose whether you want the teams to come from double year groups, as in a team of 1, 2, a team of 3, 4, a team of 5, 6, or you can select individual year groups and have a team from year 1, a team from year 2, etc. This goes right up to year 13. You then select your maximum team size and select if there needs to be a minimum boy or girl ratio. The next section outlines which schools can participate, and these are all the schools that are in your partnership. So you can select from all primary schools and all secondary schools, or you can delete certain schools out or add schools back in. Data labels are what are collected on the first page. So for this competition, we're collecting first name, surname, gender, year group, and is the child sporty. This section here gives you the option to collect sporty, semi-sporty or non-sporty, or rewrite these labels if you wish to. This will mean that pupils go into separate leagues depending on which category they have selected for themselves. You then have this text box here that can explain exactly what happens through the competition, which will be the first page that parents or teachers see, and you can also add attachments if needed. You then ask the questions for each of the activities. So 50-metre sprint, time in seconds to 2 decimal places. These can be edited. There's a separate section here that you can select whether the lowest score wins or the highest score wins. So for example, a sprint will be lowest score wins, a long jump would be the highest score wins. You then select the year groups you want to ask that question to. This means that you can then set up your competitions with the questions relevant to the specific year groups. So for example, in the distance run, for 300 metres we've selected year 1 and 2, and then for the 400 metres we've selected year 3 and 4, and for 600 metres we've selected year 5 and 6. So for the quad kids of this competition, all children will be asked 4 questions, but they will be slightly different depending on their year groups. You can add as many questions as you like depending on what competition that you are running. Once you're happy, you click Save, go back to the survey list, and you're able to download the logins as explained previously. I hope you found this useful.